The Credit People Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Credit People Credit Score Tool. As always, links to the product are in the description below for easy access. Let's discuss its features, who it's best suited for, and how it can help you manage and improve your credit effectively. The Credit People is renowned for its credit repair services, and their credit score tool is a key component of their offerings. This tool provides users with access to their credit score and detailed credit reports from major bureaus. With a clear and intuitive layout, it simplifies the process of understanding your credit profile, helping you pinpoint the factors impacting your score. Whether it's late payments, high credit utilization, or account inquiries, the tool breaks down the data so you can see exactly what needs attention. What sets this tool apart is its comprehensive integration with the Credit People's credit repair service. If you're enrolled in their program, you can track disputes, monitor updates, and see real-time progress on your credit improvement efforts. For those not using their repair services, the tool is still a valuable standalone resource. It provides personalized credit insights and actionable recommendations, making it easy to identify and address areas for improvement. One of the standout features is its focus on education and empowerment. The tool doesn't just give you numbers, it explains what they mean and how they affect your financial health. For beginners, this is a great way to get acquainted with the credit system, while more experienced users will appreciate the actionable data it provides to maintain or enhance their credit standing. The Credit People Credit Score Tool is designed for anyone looking to take control of their credit, whether you're starting from scratch, recovering from setbacks, or maintaining an excellent score. Its user-friendly interface and commitment to actionable insights make it an excellent choice for all users. In conclusion, the Credit People Credit Score Tool is a robust, reliable solution for monitoring and managing your credit. For more details and to try it out, check the links in the description below.